You are most likely acquainted with the possibility of gaining cash on the web. Maybe you have even attempted it yourself, yet were ineffective and wanting to look for some guidance. Indeed, in all actuality, procuring cash online is altogether conceivable, yet requires a great deal of commitment and diligent work, with only a trace of karma. The following are recorded a portion of the potential approaches to profit on the web. 1. Selling stuff online. Selling things online should be possible by anybody and opens up such huge numbers of entryways. In the event that you have a ton of messiness around your home, you could be perched on a goldmine. With sites, for example, eBay and Amazon, it is unimaginably simple to sell recycled things. Though you presumably won't gain a ton for everything, except on the off chance that you have many things, you could without much of a stretch see your salary developing. This is normally just a transitory arrangement, except if you plan on discovering stock from wholesalers or in any event, making your own items, for example, you will frequently observe on Etsy. All the more regularly these days, numerous individuals are selling things on Facebook, since the presentation of gatherings have made it so natural. Additionally to Craigslist, this is a decent alternative on the off chance that you incline towards selling and purchasing in your neighborhood. 2. Associate advertising. Associate publicizing might be something you have caught wind of, however not many individuals truly comprehend its motivation. You procure a commission selling items or administrations for another person, more often than not through connections on a blog or site. This technique can be very fruitful when done appropriately, yet it won't make you rich medium term. So as to sell, you have to draw in a high measure of traffic to your blog or site, with the fitting substance and data, which will ideally urge your perusers to utilize your offshoot joins. 3. Work-at-home jobs. This is a huge umbrella term used to depict any kind of occupation that should be possible long separation, or all the more explicitly, from home. While numerous vocations should be possible from a home office, probably the most famous ones are information passage, blogging and in any event, doing studies. Once more, these are normally moderate workers, however can give you some valuable salary on your all-day work. Studies are reappropriates to a lot of individuals, when an organization is doing statistical surveying, so they are generally gone through an association, for example, Global Test Market or Taluna. The last offers an assortment of approaches to gain additional cash, including item testing and surveys. 4. Site page design. Site page configuration is in enormous interest, and in the event that you have a PC and a web association, you can likewise figure out how to code. With an intensive learning of HTML, CSS and PHP, you as of now have every one of the apparatuses to manufacture straightforward site pages. Consider helping other people with their WordPress topics, portfolio website pages or web journals, and you could be gaining some genuine cash. Click the link in the description for more information.